I'm Jill Wittkopp, VP of Product at IAB Tech Lab. Tech Lab is a reflection of the industry. We're a trade organization focused on technical standards in digital advertising. And so, as you guys are probably aware, the industry has a lot of priorities right now, and we are a reflection of that. So we are focused on all things agentic AI as companies are exploring the possibilities there. We're focused on publisher challenges and monetization from consumer behavior changes and the way that they find content through AI. And we're focused on the growth in the CTV market. I think those are some of the key areas we'll focus in on this year. I'm super excited to hear more perspectives on all of these topics. We are, again, an industry consortium. We're focused on making sure that we can bring all parties to the table and really take in as many perspectives as possible in the solutions that we develop as an industry. And so it's always a pleasure to hear more perspectives on any of these critical topics to the digital advertising business. I'm super excited, honestly, for all of the content at ATS Singapore. I'm so glad that we're able to make it each year. It is a fantastic event, and we get a chance to learn so much about the APAC market.